Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the SORTA Opcode in IBM RPGLE, specifically looking at how it sorts array elements. Let's jump right into it with an example. Here's a RPGLE code using SORTA to sort an array called Arr2. First, we initialize and display the array elements. Then we use SORTA to sort the array. Finally, we display the sorted array elements. Let me break it down for you. We start by defining our array Arr2 with 5 elements. Initially, it's filled with values 201, 205, 203, 202, and 204. We initialize n to 1 and loop through the array, displaying each element using the %char function to convert numeric values to characters for display. Then, we use sort Arr2 to sort the array Arr2 in ascending order. After sorting, we reset n to 1 and again loop through the array to display the sorted elements. As a result, we get the sorted array displayed as 201, 202, 203, 204, and 205. And that's how the SORTA opcode helps us efficiently sort array elements in IBM RPGLE programming. Thank you for watching our tutorial on the SORTA opcode in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and helpful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insights. Happy coding!